Hi, I'm Janae with OnlineLabels.com, and today I'll tell you how to properly label oily products. If an oil-based product leaks, it can be disastrous for the label if it's not the right material. Even if you think your product is totally leak-proof, it's better to play it safe with these tips. In this video, we'll go over why oil is bad for labels and show you the extra precautions you should take to make your labels oil-proof. So why is oil bad for labels? There are a few reasons. Leaked oil can seep into a paper-based material and cause it to soak up the oil and can break down the label. Oil can also cause the ink on a label to loosen. This can mean distorted artwork and ink being transferred to whatever it touches. Oil on the surface of the product can also make it difficult for a label to fully adhere to your container. Now that you know the dangers of oil, let's go over your oil-proof options. The trick to oil-proofing your labels is to use the right materials. Any material available on our label sheets won't protect your print against oil, whether you've printed using ink or toner. We strongly recommend our custom printed rolls for all-around protection against oils and moisture. When you order your artwork for us to print on rolls, it will come with a laminate that will give you the protection you need against oils. Keep in mind, this only applies to custom printed rolls and not blank rolls. An alternative for sheet label users is to use our clear gloss laser material as an overlay like a laminate. Since the material is weatherproof, it'll act as a protective barrier against the oil for your print. You'll just purchase blank clear gloss labels in the same shape but slightly larger size, then place over your labels. Print your labels on a weatherproof material, then use our clear gloss laser as a laminate layer. Before adding the clear gloss laser, make sure the ink or toner doesn't smear with regular dry contact. If it does, you may need to adjust your printer settings. For inkjet printers, try adjusting the material setting to photo or glossy. And for laser printers, adjusting the material setting to a heavier option, like labels or cardstock, should improve the toner adhesion. Before applying your labels, thoroughly clean and dry the container, and make sure your hands are clean too. This will ensure that no dust, dirt, or oil is trapped under your label and will help it stick better and last longer. We hope you found these tips for labeling oil-based products useful. For more tips and tutorials, subscribe to our channel and visit OnlineLabels.com.